Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You should not start any procedure on live electrical wires yourself. This is hazardous and potentially lethal. Instead, pause and prioritize contacting a licensed electrician or your utility provider who is trained, insured, and authorized to de-energize circuits safely. Once you have professional support on the way, make sure to keep bystanders back and avoid touching the area. Do not improvise tools or methods. Leaving tasks to credentialed technicians reduces risk and legal exposure. Once professionals arrive, they'll assess hazards, follow lockout/tagout protocols, and use calibrated equipment to verify conditions. You should let them lead. Make sure to provide any site history, permit info, or recent incidents so they can plan. If a utility disconnection is needed, the utility company will coordinate safe de-energization and documentation. Do not interfere with their process. The why is simple. Specialized training, tools, and legal authority are necessary to complete work safely and to code. After work is finished, confirm completion paperwork, inspection sign-off, and any test results from the electrician or utility. These protect you and ensure compliance. If you observe sparks, burning smells, or unexpected power during or after work, back away and contact emergency services and the contractor immediately. Do not try to diagnose. If the contractor cannot resolve an unsafe condition, request escalation to the utility or a supervising engineer to ensure the site is secure and properly restored.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.